Hello my darlings and welcome. In this video, I talk about the magical properties of 5 herbs for protection and then make a protection spell jar for your home or person. Let's do some magical crafting. Spell jars are among my most requested videos, and so I decided to partner with Holy Santo to create a series of spell jar videos using some of the herbs that come in their witchcraft herb kit. There's an affiliate link for 10% off their herb kit in the description below. I will also link to an unboxing video below. This spell jar recipe includes 5 protective herbs and 2 other magically protective ingredients. The first one is nettle leaf. Nettle leaf is used for protection, purification, courage, and healing. It is known to promote binding, banishing, and inner strength and setting boundaries. Grave goods show that nettle has been used for thousands of years for weaving linen cloth and making paper. It was used in ancient Greece and Rome as food and medicine to relieve sore muscles and arthritis. This herb can be used in body purification magic. Next is sage. Sage is used to ward off evil and cleanse a space, a person, or items. It corresponds to wisdom, good luck, long life, and some even say immortality. It's an herb of good health, protection, purification, healing, and clarity. Ancient Romans, Greeks, and Egyptians used sage medicinally to treat snakebite and enhance memory. It is thought to be an herb of wisdom and clarity, and to help with grief from the loss of a loved one. Next is hyssop. Hyssop is used for purification, cleansing, and protection. It promotes acceptance, tolerance, and unconditional love. It can be used to dispel depression and bring a positive outlook. Hyssop is a sweet-smelling plant related to mint. It has been used since ancient times for purification and washing away sin. It was strewn or hung in homes in the Middle Ages. Next is blessed thistle. Blessed thistle has strong protective qualities. It's a holy herb, and it counters negative magical energy and removes hexes. Blessed thistle is thought to bestow spiritual, physical, and financial blessings. Use blessed thistle in magic for setting boundaries and creating safe places and safe people. Next is St. John's wort. St. John's wort is used for protection against evil and as sacrifice to solar deities. This herb corresponds to divination, happiness, love, strength, and health. Medicinally, St. John's wort was used for pain relief and to treat depression. This herb has mild sedative properties. Use in moderation. St. John's wort has also been used in religious practices in pre-Christian Europe. Ancient Greeks used it to ward off evil spirits. The goddesses Hecate and Circe gathered it to use in their magical work. I will also add eggshell, which corresponds to both protection and fertility. And finally, salt. The primary two magical properties of salt are protection and purification. I begin with a small jar, as I'm creating this spell jar to go in my purse and be carried on my person. You can make your protection jar any size. You may wish to cleanse your jar before you begin. However, many of the herbs and minerals I'm adding have cleansing and purifying energy. I started by creating a mixture of the 5 herbs that we've just reviewed. The first ingredient into the jar is eggshell. As I add each ingredient, I focus on the intent of my spell jar and the properties of each item. If your traditions call for a chant or a prayer, you can also do this as you fill your jar. Next, I fill the jar nearly full with the herbal mixture. And finally, I use salt to fill the remainder of the jar. After that, I trace a protective symbol on top of the cork. In this case, I'm using a pentacle. However, you can use any symbol or sigil that represents protection to you. Because this jar is going to be carried on my person in my bag, I'm choosing to hot glue the cork in place to avoid any unfortunate spills. And finally, I seal my jar with beeswax. As I seal it, I focus all of my intention into the jar and allow the candle flame and warm wax to charge the magic. I hope this video has given you some ideas for how to make your own protection spell jar. If you enjoy my witchy content, kindly leave me a like on this video.